Oregano, scientifically known as Origanum vulgar, is a well-known culinary herb often used to enhance the flavor of various dishes, particularly in Mediterranean and Italian cuisine. However, beyond its delicious taste, oregano offers a plethora of health benefits. This aromatic herb is packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and antimicrobial properties, making it a valuable addition to your diet and wellness routine. Let's explore the top 10 benefits of oregano and how it can contribute to overall health. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Oregano is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, including rosmaric acid and thymol, play a crucial role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating oregano into your diet, you can enhance your body's ability to fight off harmful oxidative damage. Number 2. Supports immune system function. Oregano contains essential nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like zinc and iron, which are crucial for a strong immune system. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of oregano can also help protect against infections by combating harmful bacteria and viruses. Regular consumption of oregano, whether fresh, dried, or as an oil, can contribute to improved immunity and overall health. Number 3. Possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties. Oregano is known for its potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, primarily due to compounds like carvacrol and thymol. These natural compounds have been shown to be effective against a variety of bacteria, including Escherichia coli, E. coli, and Staphylococcus aureus, which are responsible for many infections. Additionally, oregano oil is often used to treat fungal infections like athlete's foot and candida overgrowth. Number 4. Aids in digestive health. The compounds in oregano help support digestive health by promoting the production of digestive enzymes, which aid in breaking down food efficiently. Oregano also has carminative properties, meaning it can help reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. The herb is known to soothe an upset stomach and relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Drinking oregano tea or incorporating oregano oil into your diet can be a natural remedy for digestive issues. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Oregano contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, including beta-caryophyllene, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Consuming oregano regularly may aid in managing conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory disorders. Number 6. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Emerging research suggests that oregano may play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. The compounds in oregano, particularly carvacrol, have been found to help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes. This makes oregano a potentially beneficial herb for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Number 7. Supports respiratory health. Oregano has been traditionally used as a natural remedy for respiratory conditions such as colds, coughs, and bronchitis. Its expectorant properties help clear mucus from the airways, making it easier to breathe. Oregano oil is often used in steam inhalation to relieve nasal congestion and sinus infections. Additionally, its antimicrobial effects can help fight off respiratory infections. Number 8. Promotes heart health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in oregano contribute to heart health by protecting against oxidative stress, reducing inflammation, and improving circulation. Oregano contains omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The herb also supports healthy blood pressure levels, making it a great addition to a heart-healthy diet. Number 9. May help prevent cancer. Several studies have indicated that oregano may have anti-cancer properties due to its high concentration of antioxidants and bioactive compounds. Carvacrol, in particular, has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, programmed cell death, in certain types of cancer. While more research is needed, incorporating oregano into your diet may provide protective effects against cancer development. Number 10. Enhances skin health. Oregano's antibacterial and antifungal properties make it beneficial for skin health. It can help treat conditions such as acne, eczema, and fungal infections. Oregano oil, when diluted with a carrier oil, can be applied topically to combat bacteria and inflammation on the skin. Additionally, oregano's antioxidants help protect the skin from premature aging and environmental damage. Adding oregano to your diet is simple and can be done in various ways. Fresh oregano. Sprinkle chopped fresh oregano over salads, soups, and pasta dishes. Dried oregano. Use dried oregano as a seasoning for meats, vegetables, and sauces. Oregano tea. Brew oregano leaves in hot water to make a soothing herbal tea. Oregano oil. Take oregano oil as a supplement or dilute it for topical applications. Oregano is more than just a flavorful herb, it is a nutritional powerhouse with numerous health benefits. From its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to its immune-boosting and antimicrobial effects, oregano can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether used in cooking, taken as a supplement, or applied topically, oregano offers a natural way to support overall well-being. Consider incorporating oregano into your diet to take advantage of its many health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.